Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to add a small number. Open your Word file and position the cursor immediately after the word you want the superscript on. Make sure you're in a standard view so selections behave predictably. Once done, type the number or symbol you want to lift. Don't press formatting yet. This step reduces mistakes and keeps spacing intact. If you'll add multiple superscripts, collect your numbers now so you can apply the same style consistently across the document. Next, convert that digit into a true superscript. Highlight the number you typed and press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus to toggle superscript immediately. Alternatively, go to Home, open the font group and click the superscript icon. If the default looks too large or misaligned, open the font dialog, reduce the font size slightly, or tweak the baseline to lift less or more. This preserves legibility. Repeat for each instance, keeping spacing. Finish by scanning the document to confirm spacing, line breaks, and consistency. If a superscript jumps to the next line, replace the space before it with a non-breaking space. For many instances, use Find and Replace. Search the number, replace with itself, and apply Format Font Superscript to the replace formatting. If styling appears off, select the superscript, click Clear All Formatting. Then reapply superscript so underlying styles don't interfere. This fixes most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.